I finally got a microwave after 2 years of living in my apartment, and I'm so stoked about this. Like, I feel like it's officially done. Like, I'm complete with my apartment. If you guys want an apartment tour, please like and subscribe and comment apartment tour because I'm obsessed with my apartment, no lie. And this microwave is going to be a life changer. So I was thinking about different ways of like incorporating this microwave into my kitchen, but it's been so difficult. I was thinking about putting it in this spot, but I couldn't find or think about anything. I came up with the genius idea of putting it on top of my fridge. So I've lived in this apartment for like 2 years, and I didn't necessarily need a microwave just because I don't mind like reheating my food on the stove. But when people come over, it's always like kind of weird. I don't know if they find it weird, but I always have to tell them like, oh, you're gonna have to either heat it up in the oven or on top of the stove, and it's like a whole big to do. Anyway, it's the New Year's 2026. Cannot believe. But this year, I feel like last year was an amazing year besides politics and whatever. But personally, last year, 2025 was a good year for me. Um but this year, I feel like it's even going to be better because I have some goals that I want to complete. Actually, I've been working on it for a bit. But this year, this is the year that is going to happen. And I'm so stoked to see what this year has to bring for me. Um, but let me know what you guys have or want to accomplish for 2026. Um, there's two goals that I won't say that I want to complete because that's the main one, and I don't want to jinx it or anything, so I'm not going to talk about it. But the other goals that I have for this year, I want to be more adventurous and creative in my pursuit this year. I want to be very mindful of that. I also want to continue cooking healthy at home. I also want to lose 5 to 10 pounds this year. And the other two, obviously, I said I don't want to talk about because I want that to happen first. But yeah, I am looking forward for this year. At this point, I was trying to figure out this microwave because it says press 0 to open. But I'm like, it has a handle so I can automatically open it. So I thought it was like it opens up, like the door opens up automatically. That's not the case. So basically when you're heating something up and you stop it midway because you don't want it to heat up fully, you have to press 0 in order to open up the door. I was amazed at this point. I was like, what? It was so confusing, but I figured it out and it's kind of cool. I can't unlock it until I press 0. Wait. No, I can't. Oh, I literally can't. Wow, I did not know that. Is that a safety thing? Wow, that's crazy. The clock. Then I have to press 0, 5, 50. Ziggy, time?
The time is 6:01 p.m.
Oh God, now I have to. 0, 6, 0, 2, clock. Okay, I think I did it because I wasn't doing that before. So let's see.